Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to navigate and register as a job seeker on Brandon Jobs. First step is to open your browser and type in brandon-jobs.ca. So this will be displayed. Let's click register. So we have here two options, job seeker and employer. So we are a job seeker. So let's click job seeker. And now this is displayed. It's a form that we need to fill out to create an account. So let's think of a username. Let's use Bobby Smith. Then let's fill out our first and last name. I am Bobby. Last name is Smith. Then the email. My email is Reyes Bakery 123 at gmail.com. Think of a password. And then let's pretend that our phone number is 431, let's say 555-5555. And before hitting submit, we are going to review all the information we have. So we have username, first name, last name, email, the password we will be using, and our phone number. Okay, so let's submit. Once we submitted the form, we will get this pop-up saying that a verification link has been sent to the email address we provided. So we'll check our email to confirm our registration on Brandon Jobs. Let's click verify email. Then this will show up. Let us click view profile. Okay, so this is how your profile looks like. Now let's click view all jobs and try submitting an application. So these are all the job postings of different companies. Let's try to apply at Brandon University. Let's click view job. Then here we can see the job details, the job summary, and then the overview of the company. Okay, let's click apply now, and this will show up. This is what we have filled out earlier with some additional information. So we have our first name, last name, email, and phone number. Here we can upload our resume and cover letter. So let's try to do that. Let's start with our resume, and then let's upload our cover letter. Okay, so you can see the documents have been uploaded, and then let's answer these questions. Are you physically in Canada? Let's say yes. Are you legally entitled to work in Canada? Let's say yes. Let's click apply now. Then you'll see this message saying that your application has been submitted to the employer. So for you to check your application, you can click view applied jobs, or if you want to explore more jobs, click this option. So that's about it on how to register as a job seeker on Brandon Jobs. Thank you.